Hello, what's up everybody? Today in this video commentary I'm going to teach you guys how to make money at home. So you guys are welcome to my channel first, and if you guys are new to this channel, please be sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell, because I used to make this type of video a lot. So without further ado, let's get started with this video right now. But there are different ways to make money online, so I will show you some good ways to make money online. So let's start with working on third-party website. There are a lot of websites these days that they pay you if you guys work on their website. Some of them require your skills, and next on like just completing a survey or stopping as well, just testing a product. So but this thing that you can't make a bigger amount of money that with these sites, okay, but at least you can make some bucks by doing some less work. But also there are even a scam and scam website that will take your money for registration, so do not trust those websites. Beware, become smart, don't get scammed. I will give you some sites that do pay for you guys, and also those links will be in the description. You guys can just definitely check that out as well. So the very first is called user testing. This website pay you $10 just by testing given website. People are making $10 to $100 using this website. All you need to do is watch if there is new to the site, and you should try to check it. Once you complete your task, then you will get 10 bucks. Yeah, 10 bucks is small, but as a task it's worth, because your task is really easy. And the next is the swag box. If you want to earn some few extra amount of money, then Swagbox is very good site. You can do a different tasks to make money from Swagbox. You can earn money by playing games, completing surveys, even just using their search engine. And note, you won't get millionaire by these ways, but at least you can generate a few bucks from this website. And the next is the Fiverr. So now if you guys don't know what is Fiverr, it is the best place where people make logo, intro, banner, photo, stuff, a lot of things. You can also see the PewDiePie video. He also gives some gigs other from the Fiverr, right? So everything people on Fiverr do is sell service over $5, and service is also known as the gigs. You can also open the Fiverr account and create your own gigs. All you need to do is sell service on your own creative skills. That may be Photoshop or SEO or whatever else that you guys do have your own skills, okay? You can utilize and sell your service over the Fiverr. So if you guys do have the good skills and want to turn your skill to profit, then Fiverr is also the great place for you. People are willing to pay more bucks if you guys provide them service in a few times. And at last, the Freelancer. If you love to work from home, then the best place is the Freelancer. If you are self-employed and you want to work for the client or get hired, make some money, then Freelancer is the best. This is a bit hard, but if you put some time on this site and work out consistently, you can make $100 within the week. This is the same like a Fiverr, but as a Fiverr it has a gig, but in the Freelancer, client will hire you to get their work done. They will give you the project, but the projects are bigger, and if you could complete those projects for them, you will get paid more than $100. This might make you rich if you can be successful on Freelancer. Alright guys, so now let's talk about advertise. The next best way to make money online at home is showing advertisement over your videos and posts. All you need to have is the AdSense or another advertise network. What is AdSense? It is the advertising program that lets you monetize your website, blog, or videos on YouTube. You can sign up for AdSense account and get approved and you guys are ready. That's all. There are alternatives to AdSense like media.net. If you guys can't approve your AdSense account, better try the media.net because it works as same, which let you do the same thing like AdSense. But the best advertising network right now, it's always the Google AdSense. because people love the Google AdSense for paying a big bucks of CPC. So let's follow this step to make money with AdSense. So first thing is that you have to create a website. Okay, you need to have a website. Now if you guys have your own blog or website and you got a good traffic, then you can use AdSense to your blog or website and make money. It depends on traffic. With AdSense you can earn a lot of money. It depends on traffic. Alright, so if you guys are just beginner and you don't have so much traffic, then you need to be patient for traffic to come for making money. Once you get a good amount of traffic, then you can make $100 to $500 per month. Okay, I'm not joking, it's a reality. I have already experienced with this AdSense making money. So no one can say how much you could make through the AdSense. It depends upon, you know, ad clicks and the traffic source you got to your site. Even people are making $0 or people are also making thousands of dollars. Even people are making thousands of dollars within a month, or I have also seen even in a day. Okay, it is possible with Google AdSense. Now the next thing is a YouTube on the advertisement itself on AdSense. Now hey, YouTube is just for a video and entertainment only. If you guys are just thinking just like that, you guys are totally wrong. It's a place where creators create a video for entertainment and they also make some money from it. As you guys know, YouTube is the second largest search engine. People daily visit YouTube and search video and watch them. But have you guys ever noticed that sometime while you play the video you can see ads? Those ads are shown through Google AdSense. People are making millions of dollars just by creating videos. Let's not talk about the PewDiePie videos because he makes yet a lot of money within the month. As a normal YouTuber or a normal user on YouTube, with or without a few subscribers, they just make $100 per month, and it also depends on the traffic source and ad click through your video. People tell you about 1,000 views is equal to $1, and that's the bullshit, guys. Fuck these people, whoever is saying, because you can't get $1 even at 10 views. It depends all upon the traffic and your title keywords. Now let's not deep dive into this. I will cover it later. Comment down below if you guys really want to, you know, deep dive to this YouTube series. Let me know in comment. Okay, so if you love to make awesome video and share to the world and make money, this is great place to start over. But this might take a bit time, maybe month or a year. To get a success on YouTube is really, you know, mystical thing. So this is all you can do with the AdSense, a website and a YouTube. Okay, so the next thing is the affiliate marketing. The next best way to make money online at your home is the affiliate marketing. This is the process of making money by selling people's product from your site or your YouTube channel even. All you will get is what percentage of the commission that you will be rewarded with your affiliate program. So there are a lot of affiliate network and you can join them and make money from affiliate program. All you will get is what percentage of the commission that you will be rewarded with your affiliate program or your network. There are a lot of affiliate network and you can join them and make money from affiliate program right now. So you guys can also go to Amazon affiliate program and join them, and also you guys can go to Commission Junction, ClickBank, Share Sales, and there are a lot of other affiliate program. You guys could go ahead and join it out. So these all are the affiliate networks that you guys can make ton of money. Okay, you can make a ton of money, right? So this is the good for those people who don't have AdSense account even. All you need to do is just join their affiliate program by signing up. All you need to do is copy the product link and then you can promote it through your website. Or if you guys do have a million follower on your social media, then you guys can also post a link over there, and if someone buy a product from your social media or your YouTube channel or your website, then you guys can get a, you know, good amount of money. So this is also the same thing as offline shopping. Just think you are the agent and you are selling goods online. So people are making $500 to $1,000 per month, per day, even per year. Okay, it depends on your strategy. Affiliate network works through this strategy. Okay, you need to get some leads and make some sales. You need to drive some traffic, right? So you need to get a good strategy to get a sale and get some commission. As I have already told you, it depends on traffic right now, so go ahead and start doing affiliate. So guys, so these are my experience tips. Now you guys can also make money at home with these methods. So let me know how much you could make with these methods. Feel free to comment down below and share with your video if you guys really love this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also follow me on my social profile as well, because I love you guys, you know. So, and I'll catch you guys in next video very soon. Till then, goodbye, peace out.